Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet valve in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 5/16 inch nut driver, 1/4 inch nut driver, and a pair of large pliers. When you open the package, you're going to get a new water inlet valve. The water inlet valve operates by the main control board, allowing water into the tub. It's located behind the kick panel on the left. The main reasons why the water inlet valve would need to be replaced are if there's no or very little water in the tub, if water overflows, or if the water valve cracks, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then using the 5/16 inch nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use the container or the towel. Alright, now we're going to pull out the dishwasher. I'm going to hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Now we're going to tilt this dishwasher back and kind of jam it under the counter. So make sure it's not going to slide down on the floor. Now we need to remove this kick panel. There's 2 1/4 inch screws, 1 in each corner. I'm going to take them out using the nut driver and simply take it off. I'm going to place the towel on the floor because we're going to have a little water dripping down from the connector. And then using the large pliers, I'm going to unscrew the water inlet hose, turning that nut counterclockwise. I'm going to drop it down on the floor. So I'm going to use a 1/4 inch nut driver and remove these 2 screws that hold the water valve to the bottom bracket. And we can remove the water valve off. So drop it down. Now we're going to take off this power plug by pressing this tab in and pull it out. And then we have to remove this rubber water hose. And now I'm going to use the large pliers and I'm going to squeeze this hose clamp and slide it off. Slowly, because it's a tricky clamp. And now we're going to slide this hose off, the inlet hose. Okay, get some water. This is the old water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so to install the new water inlet valve, we're gonna start with putting a fill hose on. Slide it on, and then we're gonna use our pliers to squeeze the clamp again, slowly, and hold it firm, slide it, and let go. Alright, so then we're going to connect the power plug. Push it in, it locks. And now I'm going to place it onto the dishwasher. And we're going to secure it with the 2 1/4 inch screws. Alright, I'm going to
hold the valve, and I'm gonna secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. Place one about halfway, and I'm gonna install the second one so the bracket shouldn't jump up and down when we have both screws in. So now I'm going to connect the water inlet line. Make sure that the gasket is in place and it's not torn. And then very carefully, slowly turn first couple of threads. Make sure you're not going to kill the plastic threads on the water valve, or you are up to buying another one. Okay, now I'm going to use the pliers and tighten that, turning it clockwise, as you already saw. Do not over tighten it. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. Turn the water on and see if there's any leaks here. If we don't have any leaks, then continue with installation of the dishwasher. Now we can remove the towel. Now we're going to install the kick panel back and lift it up so it will clear the leveling legs at the bottom. And I'm going to secure it with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. Right now I'm going to put the dishwasher upright, and we can place it under the counter. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Plug it in and check if it works properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.